Same kids. Unsupervised. And it sounds like they're shooting off damn firecrackers out here. I don't know if they're poppers or firecrackers. That's all these juvenile delinquents need. Fireworks, a lighter, and left unsupervised. But see, that's the level of protection out here. Meaning the parents are off or out doing whatever it is they're going to do, and they let their children run wild with apparently fireworks and lighter. What kind of trouble could they get into? No supervision, fireworks, lighter. Gee, have no clue. And these are the same known vandals, unruly children, juvenile delinquents.